Very good morning. Monday, 10th April, program है, that is I think all of you have this one. So Ruby Jubilee. Ruby Jubilee means 40th year. 40th year of first R&D lab of Darjeeling district. That was started in 11th April 1983. That means next Tuesday, 40 year. The first R&D lab was started in 1977, 5 years back. Then it was, I have taken the photo. And this A.K. Sharma is a world famous botanist, Padma Bhushan also. His wife is Dr. Archana Sharma. And in the Calcutta University Botany Department, human genetics was started by appointing MBBS, MD, PhD in the botany department. Now nothing is there. Even then, my MSc was in human genetics and my PhD is also in human population genetics. So that is why I am very much interested in by seeing this stone. But in this 40 years, this stone will not grow. Only the stone is there. Otherwise, in Calcutta press meet, I have mentioned that the plant is here, and if COVID death can be avoided only by using this plant. Only a piece of this is enough and more to control or cure a COVID patient. Kanyakumari MP died due to COVID. This much was enough to save that life. Now COVID is again increasing. And COVID was started in 2020 March. 2020 July itself, I have organized a press meet in Kottayam Press Club. Then Calcutta Press Club 2021 July and 2021 December, I have organized a press meet in Bangalore Press Club because my flight was to Trivandrum. But I get down at Bangalore, I conducted a press meet in Bangalore Press Club because first Omicron of India was reported from Bangalore 1 week back. So Indigo people called me. I told you, I am not coming. And I organized a press meet in Bangalore Press Club because after 3 Pfizer, first Omicron was reported. And the Jota notice there, where I have mentioned that there is no medicine for any viral disease in allopathy. Common cold, no. Viral fever, no. Jaundice, no. Mumps, no. COVID, no. Then what about sugar and BP and thyroid? Allopathy, no, only to complicate it. Sugar ka medicine increasing, leg cut, height, BP, that is also very easy. BP can be controlled by homeopathic medicines. Ravolfia was the serpentine of apocynaceae was the medicine for allopathy, homeopathy, everywhere. But allopathy changed to tablets. One question previously was about that. इसका एक component, so many components are there. Chloroquine is very important. The chloroquine ka imitation gold is hydroxychloroquine purchased by Trump. Chloroquine ka imitation gold. Original gold you have 10 rupee ka gold same type. Is that is equal? 10 rupee ka gold is that will create a lot of problems. That is what is happened in India. For those who have used the hydroxychloroquine are died. Then second thing, vaccination. What is vaccination? Vaccination is to, I have organized international webinar 27th November 2020 in Melegaon College. Tight COVID situation, only 30 in the hall and more than 700 participated worldwide. And I am happy that so many using the CINCHONA bark saved their life, prevented COVID. Don't think that allopathy will save you. Now again COVID is increasing. And in Calcutta, see one thing important. I think this is in Darjeeling district and we are now in Darjeeling district. Am I correct? Darjeeling district here also. West Bengal, North Bengal Medical College is here. That is also in Darjeeling district. So Darjeeling district where two universities are there. One is NBU. NBU ka pahla VC, botanist, Mehra Junior, only 3 publications. He was arrested by CBI and Om Prakash was. And I have visited Om Prakash with a draft. VC ka naam I have shown there. And 1 week back, Darjeeling Hill University के लिए another VC was appointed. उसका नाम Professor Prem Podar. Prem Podar English. This Om Prakash is political science. He took PhD in 2017 only. 2017 only PhD. That is the problem. And I am happy that one man from my own place is your governor now. He is doing lot of things for the higher education of West Bengal. Previously, he is now Vice President of India, but chagada full time. Now I think West Bengal is gifted by a good acha governor. He is not a politician. He is a good academician also. Anyway, you can utilize it. And last year, that international conference that I have noted there, you are also all of your journalists and most important journalist, Professor Kerala University ka, Professor J.V. Viladela, Vice Chancellor. And with him, I have made several discussions through phone and in his house. He is a very old man. And that is why International Conference of Science, Social Science and Literature was started. So the credit for this conference is to a journalist professor. That is very important one. So if you want to solve any problem, a multidisciplinary approach is needed. Otherwise you can't see. See, so many people are doing lot of things. For per day, starvation death is 8,000. That is increasing to 20,000 now. That is again increasing. Lot of people are doing lot of things, but it is not scientifically. So we have to approach scientifically. Even COVID also. We can approach with different methods. See in Tamil Nadu, that Sita, nobody died there. Then time ka problem hai, that is why in the initial stage itself I am doing one thing. Say, CINCHONA ka sapling I have giving to the, anybody can take a photo that can be given to me. So this is for the press club of Siliguri. I have given to National Institute of Homeopathy. Then the press club ka authority. Hello. CINCHONA Special Indian Journal of Botanical Research will be released by our secretary by giving to a lady. Girl, come. Hello. Hello. Secretary. Anybody? You. So this is Indian Journal of Botanical Research, Chief Editor Professor Dr. P.M. Matthew, father of Indian human genetics. So just open it. Come. Yeah, just hello. Just come. Take a photo. Open it and give to him. Yeah, just come. Take a photo. Come here. Open it. Simply open it. Yeah. It's the father of Indian palynology. P.K. Nair was chief editor, but he died. So P.M. Matthew sir is the say within seconds it is finishing. Take some photos. Take some photos, please.
Sir, you were saying that CINCHONA
1 minute, it will be finished. So this, hello, this is for you. Then second thing, sorry. Indian Journal of Multidisciplinary Research, this also CINCHONA special. It will be printed lot, in large number. Okay. These journals are started in 2005. Okay. Finished. Actually, this is a report of 2020, November 27, Friday. International webinar, possibility of CINCHONA to control COVID-19. You can decide it. Ladies are. Come. Okay, then you should write. Just keep. So there is a lot of articles are there. CINCHONA chromosome, everything is there. So you can keep it. So that part is finished. So then CINCHONA bark is there. CINCHONA bark decoction is this one. This is chota little bitter in taste. 30,000-year-old history is there. 25-30,000-year-old history is there. In South America, people with a fever bathed in a pond and somewhere outside. And the tribal men noted that those who in the pond, the fever was lost. Immediately they were relief. And he noted that CINCHONA ticks are there. And he said CINCHONA will cure fever. And from that way onwards, that is 25-30,000-year-old history is there. So CINCHONA is so powerful. CINCHONA controlled malaria. And Queen 12th director of Indian Botanic Garden was an allopathic doctor, uska naam Dr. Thomas Anderson. He got only 39 years. He planted 1 lakh acres of CINCHONA in Darjeeling and Sri Lanka, 1,36,000 acres in Ooty. And he started CINCHONA factory there. And there the lab was started. That lab got good. Anyway, CINCHONA first, Samuel Hahnemann was an allopathic doctor. By hating allopathy, he started homeopathy. And his first medicine was CINCHONA. So homeopathy, everybody know, but I have, this is a CINCHONA homeo medicine. It is China. And there is possibility for that. CINCHONA tablet 200 to 600 mg was there. It can be again produced. Then second thing, this one is actually a jaggery hai with more than 9 plants, medicinal plants. Iske sath we can add koina also. Then that will be like it is specific for lungs. It is specific for lungs. So such works we have to do a lot of work. We have to produce many things because virus is living or non-living. Virus is non-living. Then a non-living thing can make anything. No. How they are getting life? We are giving life to them. We are giving life to them. So we have to manage them. Don't try to kill them. Then it's a problem, you know. It is most of them are single-stranded. Single-stranded and double-stranded genetic material, DNA, RNA. You know, Corona is here. West Bengal ka aadmi, Corona, West Bengal, yeah, Nobel Prize. West Bengal, he is from West Bengal. J.C. Bose, botanist from West Bengal. A.K. Sharma, West Bengal. A lot of botanists. The world famous botany department was Calcutta University Botany Department. And that A.K. Sharma inaugurated this lab, and that lab is still there. And I am appealing you can develop that. So similarly, two vice chancellors, I have I met him, and there was vice chancellor's name, and 2 days back the Om Prakash was Prem Poddar was appointed, so that these two names was added, and I met Om Prakash. Who are you to use Darjeeling, my name? Sir, this is only a draft. If you are not interested, I am deleting. Simply cut. Only SABU is there. That is enough. He is the convener of the program. Such a university and myself is organizing such a program.
Sir, can you please give us the short details of what do you want to say? I mean to say, what is the basic
Yeah, I am organizing this program. This seminar ka purpose is next Monday ka this seminar. So this seminar is on CINCHONA and SALACIA. SALACIA, CINCHONA ka importance is there, antibacterial, antifungal, antimalarial properties. Specific for lungs, and it is imposed. You have to again produce the medicines. Second thing, such things can be produced. Then another important thing, Ruby Jubilee of that thing was done. Then this seminar will be, there will be you can read this, that everything is written there. It is held, two reasons are there. One, Ruby Jubilee of a institute and university. Second thing, CINCHONA and SALACIA importance. That is projected. So this, papers are there. That paper, Sabu Thomas, Vice Chancellor, will be inaugurating. He may come here. Saigat Basu, West Bengal Science Association President, and he is from Canada also. And then Mavo, you know, Botanic Service Vidya Director, keynote. Eh? Yeah, actually it was planned in Darjeeling Hill University, and since Vice Chancellor is said like that, my office is BM Sarani mein. BM Sarani mein, my office where 20 to 30 people can offline, and it will be online also. In BM Sarani, here only. Siliguri now only. Then if press people are interested, you can also come there. So people will be there. Eh? This one. This one. This one. This one is the homeopathic medicine. Its name China. In bracket, you can see CINCHONA officinalis. This is specific for lungs. 10 drops morning and 10 drops evening. 10 days will remove all viral particles. So this is very important one. Even I have homeopathic doctors. They invited me. More than 160 doctors was there. Homeopathic doctors. I was with all these materials, and nobody have seen this one. Nobody is even. Yeah, that this within 1 minute I will finish it. This, okay, I will explain the program first. Yeah, seminar topic first one will be Sabu Thomas. We will inaugurate and keynote speaker. Future possibilities of CINCHONA and SALACIA in diabetes and microbial diseases, including organ transplantation. Another topic by Indian Forest Genetics Institute Coimbatore, Rajesh Gunasegar, taxonomical status and conservation and improvement of CINCHONA. Another one, Rajashekaran P, Senior Scientist of Indian Institute of Horticulture. He will talk on SALACIA, gift for diabetic patients. One tribal doctor, tribal man, from 500 to 130 within 2-3 days with the roots of SALACIA. So such powerful plants are there. Everywhere diabetes is a problem. Then Professor Sabu, recently he came Calcutta for receiving Janaki Ammal award of 5 lakhs from Central Minister. He will talk on gingivitis medicinal plants. Then another one, Dr. Jos Paul, he is an allopathic doctor. He will speak on the CINCHONA in modern medicine. Another one, S.K. Basu, contributions of Professor Arun Kumar Sharma and Archana Sharma. He will come here. And Professor Matthew, my own guide, is 93. Cytology in relation to the systematics. Nobody studied cytology or anything. It is very difficult. Then my own topic, that is CINCHONA in homeopathy, Ayurveda, SALACIA conversion. Then Niveda will speak on 25,000-year-old history of. Then Ramesh Kumar, TBJ Raika. See, your Darjeeling, this botanic garden was started in 1878. 1878. Tropical Botanic Garden was started in 1979 after 101 years. So that is well known, well famous. But this is Lloyd Botanical, nothing is there, not even a director. So it is better to start a good director, give a good director, and start a good research institute. You can propose it. People can propose it. That is needed. Himalaya area that is needed. Then is there any veterinary and animal science university in West Bengal? No, in West Bengal.
I don't have any idea.
No, it is urgent. So the MUNGPOO area is good for that. So you can propose, that is uh, animals, even chicken, everything, fishes, all this comes under that university, and you can try for that also. Then Darjeeling Hill University, the next November ka program I am planning there. Anyway, so there will be a competition
And
for
what time
students.
your seminar will start?
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Uh,
10 a.m.
So online, I will put the link. The WhatsApp number is there. Then offline, you can come there also.
Many guests are coming now.
Because of coming there. But it was, I have planned in Darjeeling University,
Okay.
but it was shifted to my own office. No problem. Then now everything can be done. In a,
Have you visited this CINCHONA plant?
I have an office there itself.
Acha, your office is
To those all, my office is there, but nobody know why I am staying there. So this is very important. 1878. 1979 only TBJ. Then another thing, the university ka growth. This is the most important university of India and in the world within the 40 years. What happened to this stone? Only the stone is there. So develop the research institutes, develop the universities. You can support Prem Podar. I think he is an HR. You know, have you seen? This guy like a program. I think he is a good man, but he is in Germany or something like that. Just now joined. That is only for 3 months, I think. Anyway, it is very important. Then Singonaka flower, Singonaka fruit. Singonaka fruit is a hair, but its problem is it will not germinate. It is not at all germinating in South India because the seed is microscopic. Fruit is इतना बड़ा है, but its fruit is इतना ऐसा you can बड़ा है, but its seed is microscopic. That is why it is not germinating. So tissue culture is not possible, callousing is not possible, embryo rescue is not possible, but some microbes are involved. Suppose 1,36,000 acres. How? At that time, there was some, I think, some Deuteromyces member is there. If we can identify that fungus and culture is, then we can germinate it anywhere. So we can plant Cinchona and Salacia in every states. We can plant more. Then November ka mera ICCL coming. That is on shelter for all, the theme. And your governor did lot of things that in that area, and your governor may be inaugurating that program. Then I think better to have some questions that I can answer.
we have already asked about your program.
Yeah,
So definitely we will try to go and cover.
you can come there. Very good, very good.
And best of luck from our side.
Yeah,
That's okay.
okay.
It's over.
Yeah. Anything? Any question regarding vaccination increase in COVID? Now COVID is again increasing. COVID death is increasing. Why? So it is a the viral particles are in our lungs. Lungs ka chota, that is alveoli. Very simple. So viral particles are there. Each one of us having viral particles. That is having now so many are dying after vaccination, after COVID, due to heart problem and so on, kidney problem. Lot of problems are there. So that is a post-COVID effect. So that post-COVID effect can be controlled by this. See, mumps के लिए artocarpus इधर artocarpus चक्का plant इसका मच्छर plant का एक secretion is there, that one single time application. Then jaundice, viral disease, phyllanthus is needed. Then so many diseases. Salacia is very good. Now pregnant ladies are having diabetes ka problem. Chota bacha ka diabetes ka problem that can be solved by Salacia. So Salacia ka importance is very important. Cinchona did wonders and Cinchona will do wonders. That is why next year, 2024, November 25, 26, 27, that is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, my conference will be in Peru because national tree of Peru is Cinchona. And there is more than 30 species is there. So detailed study of that, you will get a journal with a detailed study of all the 32 species in next year. So that work is already started. So the any more question? Any more question? You can, sir.
No, we better preserve it so that we can ask you at the
Yeah, okay. So I have proposed that we can plant Salacia and Cincona in maximum area. See, Cincona is South American Brazilian plant, South American plant. Our tapioca is South American plant. Our rubber is South American plant. Pineapple is South American. This is also South American. So we can plant maximum. Then second thing, Salacia. Salacia is also very good. We can plant it and we can use it. So these two plants, not only the two plants, see, along with that, I have one more, that is Lycopodium cernum. That is a pteridophyte. Spleen stone calia chahe. Such so many plants are there. So my 25 minutes is there.
Yes,
I
yes.
am
It is
coming.
only
It is
2 hours.
there. It is there. It is a recording. Do it because now I think I am finishing with a chota. I met a girl in उसका नाम संजना एज class 7 only. उसका छोटा बच्चा and father and mother. What is your opinion about mask foolishness? What is your opinion about distancing foolishness? What is your opinion about mm, vaccination? Utter foolishness. Such girls are important. She is thinking, and we are doing all these things. Now again, mask is coming. Actually, who has to study? It should be studied scientifically. If you are studying scientifically, we will realize that all these are foolishness. Now, anything, any social science, even journalism, you are submitting a project, statistics should be there. So, if we are studying mask effect, we are studying vaccination effect, we will definitely to 5% or 1% we will reject it. That means useless. Why? Allopathy changed from one question initially came. So this is naturally produced product, and that is produced artificially is not never equivalent to natural. See, now everywhere shokka अच्छा लटकी है. They don't want any food. They don't want to go bathroom. They full time they will be there. No problem. But if we are allowing you to stand, appointing to stand there, it is impossible. Then I told you, ring gold car ring. Today very high price. Say one thing about today. Yesterday, government, central government decided to start semester system in higher secondary. Semester system in India was introduced by your people. Con Joy Vilanilam. That JV Veladela introduced semester system first in India. I have noted it there. Then finishing. See, Mamata Banerjee started that university on Teachers' Day. See, 5th September 2018. So many years wasted. So many years wasted. The university at present, a lady is the caretaker, and there are many computers. And I told her to shut down. She don't know to come. Shut down. Even LKG will do it. So, anyway, I took a photo also. Who is this one? Om Prakash. He took PhD in 2017. And this R&D lab is in his area. What is the purpose of the quality of MA English of this your university? Don't be angry with me. And happy with MA English. What is the full form of BSW? I told you. It is the chota of MSW. Next question. MA English from NPU. Next question. What is the full form of MSW? Take your mobile, type it. Master of social. So the quality deterioration is everywhere there. Then this is my Calcutta Press Club ka press note. If you want, you can take Calcutta 2 years before. This was no. This is Calcutta Press Club ka 2 साल का press note. That is मेरा पास है. Bangalore Press Club का also there. Okay. very 30 minutes. Thank you so much. So try to save lives with natural. Our body is made up of natural thing. So there is medicine for every problem. So we have to go back. I am using another time also. Now we are in a paracetamol generation. Previously it was CINCHONA generation. From paracetamol generation we have to go back to CINCHONA generation. Thank you so much.